You ever wish you had like a professional looking YouTube end screen? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this. You guys ready? Let's get into it. What is up, YouTube? Welcome to KGFCP, where I have free project files, tutorials, and more. My name is Kevin Ganitz, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a free professional looking YouTube end screen.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click the link in the description, and you're going to want to download my zip file. So after you open my zip file, you should have a folder that looks something like this. Go ahead and open up the project file. Then you're going to go into the project file, and once you have it on your timeline, you should see something that looks like this. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and put your info here. You don't have to leave it, say follow me with your username. You could put anything you want here. You could put check out my social medias, which is what I have on my vlogging channel. You're just going to double click on the title with my username in it and go ahead and put something else. If you want to change this text to say something else, it's totally up to you. I like saying check out one of the videos on the left. I'm going to leave that alone for now. Now, let's say you don't have Twitch, you have something else there. You're going to go back into that folder that you downloaded, and you're going to go to icons, and here you see a bunch of different icons with a white option as well. So let's say you have a TikTok instead, right? So you're going to drag the TikTok, but you're not going to let go until you see it looks something like that. Once you see that, you could let go. You're going to click on the Twitch icon, you're going to press Command C, then you could delete it. You're going to drag this to be the same length as everything else, then you're going to click on it and you're going to press Command Option V. So now the TikTok icon is there instead of Twitch. Now you could move these around, you could mix and match these, or you could switch them out for a white one if you decide to not use this background. Let's say you have a wallpaper or something that you want to use the background, or in my case, a moving video. You're going to take your file that you want to put there. For my example, I have my vlogging background. I want to make it the same thing. And now you're just going to press V. And now my background is loaded. Now you could put a wallpaper, you could put something else, or if you want it to be black, a simple way to do that is go to negative and just drag it on top, and the background will be black. You could also do that to the icons, but there won't be 100% white, kind of an off-white. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to put it to Kevin Ganitz, and I'm going to show you how to use this file once you're done. After you're done, just export it wherever you want. Doesn't really matter. Somewhere that you'll remember. So after you're done exporting, open up one of your projects that you want to put the end screen on. I'm going to drag it right here. Now you have two options to use this end screen. You could do a version of the end screen where this check out my other videos is showing, or if you don't really care for that, you could do a full length end screen. Let me show you what I mean. The full length is where you just drag it like this, and then you go to the edge of where it ends and you press Command B. So that would make this and this the same length. Then you're going to head back into the project file for the end screen. You're going to scroll all the way up to a file that we haven't bothered with. It says off-white 4K, but it's kind of like faded out. You're going to click on it and you're going to press Command C. Then you're going to go back to your project with the end screen, and you're going to click on this piece that you cut to match the time of the end screen. You're going to click on it, and you're going to press Command Option V. Once you do that, your end screen should look something like this. So now, when my video ends, it'll end just like that. YouTube will have like playing next or whatever. The video will end. How I personally like to do it is, once you drag it here, see how long your time is for your video. So right now my video project is 47.8 seconds. So I'm going to go to 37.8 seconds, you could see right here, this is 10 seconds shorter than what the project is. You're then going to click on it and press M. That's going to make a marker right in the middle. You're going to click and drag it under my clip right here. So what that means is when you do the same process again, you're going to press Command B over here, click on the clip, Command Option V. So now when the video ends, you have a little message that appears. This is the way I do my YouTube videos. This is the way I end my YouTube vlogs. And again, you could customize this to say whatever you want. All these colors are customizable. Everything's changeable. The icons are swappable. And if I don't have an icon in the folder that you need, you could just very easily go on Google, type in the icon, download it, and replace it, as long as you match it with the sizes of the icons that I already have in the folder.
I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. My name is Kevin Ganitz. Peace out, stay safe, and God bless. See you guys.